Leminar air conditioning industries is one of the largest sheet metal duct manufacturing facility. I would claim even all over the world, because the facility where we are in, none of the facilities I have visited in my 20 years are up to this mark. Most of the time, corporates, they limit their potential. They think that, okay, logic will allow them to grow 10%, 15% a year. Now then we restrict our potential, and we want to grow exponentially, not incremental, like 5%, 10%, which other companies may be happy, but no, not Leminar. So that's where SSA was on board. This happens because of desire to grow. Management has always supported us that yes, we want to grow, we want to grow, we want to prove something different than what other people are doing. Being we as solution provider, our expertise is in manufacturing and then serving clients. But then solutions on shop floor, we reached to SSA because we had a question that how we can maximum utilize this facility and how we can expand our reach to more people. Because the solution we provide touches people's life. In implementation phase, what SSA team did to start with, studying right from the source, like which starts with inquiry from client, then order conversion, then it goes to shop floor, production activities, production planning, delivery management, and then delivery to customers. This is the cycle. Now they've identified gaps, given solutions, how to implement lean process to improve the productivity, how to get optimum production from the factory. And that's what they did. They reduced the losses which we were losing in time and in people's movement and material movement. And we got end result. And end result is like we got more than 30% improvement in our productivity, happy customers. And that has changed a lot in last 2 years because it was a change process. When you want to change, you have to involve everybody. It's not like change comes from higher management and then higher management tells people that, okay, you have to change. Change is what? People don't resist change, but people resist being changed. So what SSA did, they brought all key people in this room where we are sitting. They asked, okay, what problems you are having? What are your challenges which you feel day-to-day life, which you feel that yes, if those challenges are overcome, productivity can go up. And it went through like, because this was an existing running factory and bringing change was not simple process, but yes, they achieved it. We have happy customers, our delivery turnaround time has reduced, profitability has gone up, and we are keep on expanding new products, because when you have time to think, you will think not only one way, you will think different options, and that's what our team did in the last 2 years. And with all the supports from SSA, we have achieved it. And I thank SSA for their contribution in this. We have made this factory really like a role model, you can say, in our entire group of Al Shirawi. They are helping other group companies also, and I wish them on their 20th anniversary, on behalf of Leminar management and Al Shirawi management, I wish them all the success in their life. And help means they can help to reach more corporates and change their results. Thank you.